Here is the ring. I had to install this new adapter ring because this plate below it, when I was assembling the plumbing underneath the deck here, I couldn't see where these holes were aligned. And normally, when you have two people on a job, the person that's up top can say it's good and they can twist it and make it right. So when you're gluing it up, it's straight, but it was just me, so it's crooked. So I had to buy this aftermarket part. This is screwed down to the subfloor, and then you can install your bolts into this dude right here, which is where they are. And here's the toilet. And now I'm getting ready to drop the toilet onto this wax ring. The wax ring just has a rubber seal on the bottom, and then the toilet sits on top of this wax ring.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Here it is.
Seriously?
Seriously.
It's gonna be like that?
Yeah, because otherwise it would be right here, and the door only opens to about here. Oh. So this gives us more space. Plus, it doesn't feel so cramped. It just kind of looks and feels better. At least it seems like to me, anyway. Maybe not.
But usually that thing is covering up the pipe.
Right. Well, I'm doing imperfect installs. You know, what do you want me to do?
Can you put the toilet this way, straight?
Well, you'll still see it. And
what happens if you put it straight?
you mean just going back that way? Yeah. I think it's going to push it too close that way.
I don't think so, but it's unique.
It is unique. And it's more than unique, it's wonderful.
I mean, the door's still going to hit the toilet, and it wouldn't hit it if you put it straight.
Yeah, well, it would hit it no matter what. Even if I put it straight, all it's going to do is rotate on this axis here. It can't move from that hole.
Yeah, I understand. Oh.
Yeah, so it's going to rotate on the axis, so that's just going to kick this over this way.
Can you rotate it, or is it too hard to have you rotate it a little bit?
It is now. I've already done all the pre-work. Oh. Yeah. Nice timing.
Okay, so I came in demanding changes, huh?
I like it from my perspective.
Well, I just thought it being at an angle would be an unusual flow in the bathroom. Hi, Minnie. Look at the floors in here. They look cool.
They look so clean.
Yeah.
Remember that?
For now. What do you mean? Oh, Galaxy Quest?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just sort of testing out where the cabinets are going to go. Just seeing how to set it up,
just
right?
Sand this down, huh? What happened to
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh, some of the plastic got on it.
Oh, that plastic?
Yeah, so the dishwasher's going to go
this
here.
will pop off, basically. This is just a face front, because this farm sink, right? Mm-hmm. So the farm sink's probably going to be, it's 30 inches. So it's probably going to be just inside here. A tape measure up here.
Where did he go? Here comes Frito.
I got Frito. Okay, so sink is what, 36 inches?
I would hope so.
Well, it's actually smaller than that, but they call it a 36 inch.
Oh, I thought you meant the cabinet.
Yeah, this is a 36 inch cabinet.
Do you like the color blue we picked for the cabinet?
Yes, very much so. It's loading.
Sure was a pain to paint them.
I told you this monster.
I don't ever want to do that again.
It's a pain.
I'm not doing unfinished cabinets again for the house.
So this part comes out.
Yeah.
And then I'll have to measure exactly where that's going to go. And then this comes off. Mm-hmm. And so then I'll cut, because I'm sure it's, I don't know how far down it goes. And then so this will butt up against there.
Yeah, this is called a blind cabinet, so this wasn't built out because they knew it would be on the other side of one of these.
There.
You can see where I messed up on my painting, but thankfully it won't matter.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, you all right?
Yeah. All right, and then we've got other stuff to do after that. No end.